right here, crafted by yours truly. Over the time, getting different spices from people, I find that I have to go into my stash and top it up. Because after tasting it, I said, oh man, this lacks something. This one wants something else. Sometimes you find you use the season, and after you use it, you still have to go in the fridge, you take out the onion, the garlic, the this, the that. Because you love everything, don't you? Yes. And you have to add to the pot while you're cooking. What I try to do is to put all of that flavor that I put in the fridge and put it in the bottle. One of the reasons why during Christmas, what tends to happen during coronation? Price increase. Everything gone through the roof. I don't have to wait till Christmas, but it's just a season when everybody that decides to now I'm going to bucket and I'm all the way down here, so and take out the money to buy it because family coming over, friends coming over, so like a whole lot more food than now. And so the demand is more than the supply. Therefore, if you only have 10 pounds of goods, and I always like get 10 pounds of goods for supply the market people or no, customers who are coming to the market to me, I probably buy 20 pounds, but 20 pounds is just not enough. So then where's the price? Therefore, less people can afford it, right? And a lot of times who suffer, the man who they go and buy from in the field, the farmers. So after years and years and years of using different tie up and bag up seasoning, I decided that I will start combining my own. Because I find that I always have to use some more garlic, some more pimento, some more this to make the pot taste better. Yeah, good. So I find that why customers return is because they like what they taste. They like what it looks, like what it smells, right? Now, if it don't look good, don't taste good, you think they will come back? No. You think your husband will taste the food or eat the food? You think your children are going to finish eating the food? You think your friend will come back? It's just reality. Now, if your food don't taste good, not even you yourself will want to eat it. Alright? Now, one of the worst things you can do is use something for the very first time and it messes up everything. Whether it's too sweet or too salt. You go cook and you draw back in the same season that you used earlier and sprinkle in the pot. What happens? Yeah, sometimes it tastes better, but sometimes it ends up too sweet or too salt. Now, a lot of times, up to here is just salt and sugar. A lot of the spices on the shelves. Why them start out with salt and sugar? A lot of the things are by percentage. In the manufacturing world, we start out with the largest first. So if salt and sugar is the largest, it is usually the first set of ingredients. Anybody know Mrs. Dash? Yes. Mrs. Dash is the closest thing to what you see right here. The only thing is that Mrs. Dash is not Caribbean. I am just saying that because I've tried them and it can't make my food taste Jamaican, sorry. It can make it taste healthy. They pay a lot of money for it. You will never go on the shelf and go to Mrs. Dash. You go on the shelf and see other parts empty because either it's half the price or 3/4, not 3/4, 1/3 the price of a Mrs. Dash. And a lot of times, a Mrs. Dash that is